Hi, my name is Kerry, founder of Propvana. Property managers today spend hours on tenant calls, dispatching vendors, and coordinating showings. What Propvana does is Propvana replaces those tasks with AI agents that automatically handle maintenance requests, leasing inquiries, as well as tenant questions. Let me show you how it works.
All right, this is going to be a video on the listings and leasings tab. Basically, the AI agent who's going to help you reduce the amount of time you have to take to be able to coordinate showings for your properties. Here, you'll be able to see all the listings that are listed, unlisted, or occupied within your portfolio or disabled, whether it's under construction or something, things of that sort. But for listed units, you can go ahead and see what your potential tenant may see, which is the listings tab. Right, you can add photos to the listings tab as well. There we go. You'll be able to see all the amenities and features that have been selected. They can apply now. They could call the AI here with that number. See the property details as well, and then sign into their tenant portal. Once they go through all the pre-qualification questions, which are custom screening questions that are placed up here, you could add or remove more. These are the questions that the AI agent, leasing agent, will go ahead and ask all the prospective tenants. It will go ahead and give it a score, underwriting rules, based off their background check, and then the application questions that they've answered to get a score out of 30, and that will help you be able to see if they're a good prospective tenant or not. So once the AI does all the pre-qualification questions, um, they're placed on the applicants tab where you're able to keep track of all the communications that particular
I'm
applicant.
looking for loft residence in Blue Rock Town.
That's my developer speaking with the AI agent. But all the communication logs will be placed in here. The application's progress will be placed here as well. They could schedule a showing as well through the system. So yeah, all the pre-qualification questions, um, the the scheduling for the showings as well. Background checks will be automatically sent out. ID verifications, proof of income. The system will prompt them to go ahead and upload all of this. Reference verification, security deposit, lease agreement, and then waiting for approval. You can either approve or decline here. And all the documents that they upload will be located here as well. Okay, this section will cover the maintenance request. You'll be able to see all open maintenance requests, anything that's being processed with AI, pending, in progress, waiting for orders, or a closed ticket. So they'll be able to call, your tenant will be able to call 24/7, 365 days out of the year, nonstop, to see if there's any type of way to help them out with any maintenance concerns that they have with their unit, which in turn will increase tenant happiness as well. So, say for example, it's prioritized by urgency, whether it's urgent, high, medium, or low, the type of issue, whether it's plumbing, roofing, things of that nature, and it'll also summarize a title for it based off the conversation and where it's located as well. So, say for example, here, toilets overflowing, you'll be able to see some sort of activity log of what's going on in terms of the conversation, whether somebody has uploaded any information or the vendor has been assigned to it. This particular case, we had a vendor who placed a bid on the maintenance request, and you're able to see when they did it, what the bid is, and you can either accept or decline it. So up to this point, the system already had a conversation with the tenant, find out what was wrong with it, collected any photos, sent it out to the preferred vendors that you have on your list already. Once your vendor sees it after multiple notifications, they can go out there, place a bid, and all that the maintenance coordinator had to do was either accept or decline that bid. Once it's accepted, it becomes a work order, and you're able to see exactly what the work order number is, the start date, the status of it, and if there's an assigned vendor as well, and if there's a bill that needs to be paid that's associated with that work order. The way you add vendors is you add them via email. You just type in their email address, and a link will be sent over to them so that they can get access to the maintenance portal. That's specifically for your company. If you have more than one plumber, then you can have some sort of bidding system where the best quote and the best vendor wins. But yep, this is maintenance from start to finish. They're able to request something to be fixed. You can either accept it and it becomes a work order, and you add vendors as well. But majority of all the coordination will be done by the AI agent itself.